morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem, Unit 7. The poem is A Watering Rhyme. Now you must be thinking why the poem name is Watering Rhyme. Okay, I'll tell you. Watering Rhyme नाम क्यों दिया है? ये पोएम जो है वो ट्रीज, फ्लावर्स, प्लांट्स उसके बारे में है. We are going to speak about the flowers, trees, plants, about them. How do the plants grow? What are the essential things they need to grow? Right? So, we'll read the poem, how we have to water them, at what time we have to water them, and too much of water also is not good for the plants or trees. So in this poem we will learn about watering the plants, at what time, how we should take care of the flowers, the plants, small trees, small plants. Okay. Early in the morning or the evening are the time to water every kind of flower. So early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. So what it says, you give water to the plants early in the morning at morning time or when it is the evening time. It is the correct time to water, and we should take care that every kind of flower gets the water. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Now what it says, watering at noonday, it says mostly at the afternoon time when the sun is shining very bright, when it is very hot. It doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. What happens if we pour water on the flowers when it is bright sunlight, it is very hot? What will happen? The flowers will die away. They will not survive. They'll die away. So early in the morning or the evening are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. यहाँ पे जो समय दिया गया है प्लांट्स को, पौधों को पानी डालने का, यहाँ पे कवि कहते हैं कि अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, जल्द सुबह में आप डालो या फिर शाम के टाइम पे आप पानी उन्हें दे सकते हो. वो करेक्ट टाइम है उनको पानी देने का. लेकिन नून डे, आफ्टरनून के टाइम पे हमें पानी, वी शुड नॉट वाटर द फ्लावर्स बिकॉज दे डाई, ओनली मेक्स देम die. Now we'll go to the next paragraph. Also when you water at the roots. जब आप पानी डालो फ्लावर्स में, प्लांट्स में, हमेशा याद रखना क्योंकि जो रूट्स होते हैं, जो ज़मीन के अंदर होते हैं, उन्हें खास हमें देना चाहिए पानी. फ्लावर्स कीप देयर माउथ्स वेट. वो जो फ्लावर्स का जो मुंह रहता है वो क्या होता है, रूट्स होते हैं उसके. अगर रूट्स में हम पानी सही से, इफ़ यू गिव कंप्लीट वाटर, इफ़ यू pour वाटर इन द रूट्स, सो फ्लावर्स ऑल्सो गेट द वाटर. वी शुड वेयर अवर बूट्स ऑल्सो व्हेन यू वाटर एट द रूट्स. फ्लावर्स कीप देयर माउथ्स वेयर, वी शुड वेयर अवर boots. Soak the earth around them. Then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. यहाँ पे कवि कहते हैं कि जो आपके आसपास जो पानी सींचते हैं फ्लावर्स को, प्लांट्स को, तो आसपास जो ज़मीन रहती है उसमें भी थोड़ा पानी हमें छिड़कना चाहिए, हमें डालना चाहिए, देना चाहिए, जिससे कभी कभार आप पानी देना भूल जाओ तो जो ज़मीन भीगी हुई होती है उससे वो फ्लावर्स के या फिर प्लांट्स को पानी मिल सकता है. the flowers and the plants can get the water. So also when you water at the roots. Also when you water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where we should keep our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat. The flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. And here the poet is saying, okay, try to pour water near the surroundings also, so that the flowers get enough and plenty of water. The land doesn't get dry up. The land doesn't get totally dry up. It gets water from the nearby their places also, where there is a ground over there. So we will read one more time the poem, children. Watering rhymes. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Also when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. So children, I hope you have understood the poem over here. Now we will read few new words. H-O-U-R, hour. What is this? It says about the times. Then W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering. Watering means giving water to the plants. N-O-O-N-D-A-Y, noonday. Noonday means afternoon time. B-O-O-T-S, boots, the shoes which we wear. Boots. S-O-A-K, soak. Soak means what? Gilla hona, bhiga hua hona. The ground where you pour water, where you give water to the flowers and plants, you should keep in mind that the surroundings nearby the flowers and plants, that also you should water them, make them wet. H-E-A-T, heat. Heat means what? The sun rays, garmi, the heat of the sun rays at the noon time. So dear children, I hope you have understood the poem. You have to read this poem and you have to write this poem in your English notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.